Hello guys and be welcome back to the channel. Today we have the 1/700 scale KM Bismarck from Meng. This is a lovely model on a lovely box and fairly new. It has waterline and full hull options available. All the parts are pre-colored, fast snap fit design and accurate exterior. So this is everything to be a great kit. Let's have a look inside and see how it looks like. So let's open the box. Opening the box, we can win cash prizes. In fact, happy days. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bags with stuff, some decals here, and I believe these will be the instructions. Let's have a look. So, having a look through the bags, I think we have, yeah. Let me start opening. Should have a knife with me. So probably this will be the option for the full hull and not the waterline version. Let me grab this. What is my knife is here. Then we have another option here, which I believe will be the waterline version. So you can do waterline version or you can do the full hull version. The parts are pre-colored, but I think I will paint them regardless because I don't like the way they are pre-colored. And then we have the thingy here, the deck, and another part that probably will be, oh, this will be to add on these, I would say. I might be wrong also. Wait. Yeah, this probably will add on here, and that will do the full body. But main thing is that looks absolutely well molded. There's no flash, as you guys can see, and looks good. One thing I'm gonna do is move these plastic bags away because the camera doesn't seem to like them, and throw it off. So let's do this way. So yeah, let's carry on doing this thing. So I think in here we have the towers, as you guys can see, and again, very well molded, very good details, and no flash. Well, we have a little bit of flash here, but it's understandable because it's a small part. But apart from that, the details, they look delicious. I really like them, so kudos to Meng. We have more stuff here, which I believe this will be the deck. Okay, there's a bit of flash here on the propellers, but this will be the deck parts and where everything will go, the towers and everything. So again, very well injected. And you can see here the boards and the chains, which is really good. Give you a bit more detail. There we go. They look really good, to be honest with you. I'm enjoying this. Let's carry on. And again, as you guys can see, loads of detail for a 700 scale. It looks absolutely delicious. I absolutely love it. It will be a treat to build this one, I would say, but I might be wrong. I truly hope that Meng proved me wrong. And we have more stuff here. It doesn't stop giving. Come on, get out. Here we go. More detail in it. And again, for a 1/700 scale kit, looks really good for a ship. I absolutely love it. I'm loving the details so far. I think the only sprues that come in two in the same bag is this one. 2 B sprues, so I'm guessing this is all the armor for the towers and whatnot. So crane, I would say. We have the little lifeboats here. Another one here. They are really well molded, and again, no flash at all. Well, tiny bit here, but nothing absolutely major. So this is a rendition of that one. So it's looking really good. I actually loving it. So this will be a project that will be built live on stream. If you guys want to follow, please like and subscribe. Again, no flash on here as well, so that you can get notification of when we're going live and when we'll be building it. At the moment we have already a build on the go, but probably this one will be next, I would say. So again, I believe this will be more, it will be gun barrels, I would say. So this will be gun barrels, and this will be a chimney, I would say, but I might be wrong. Yeah, lovely details. Let's have a look in the instructions now. The instruction seems to be fairly complex, or might not be, although they work. Oh, they unfold. They have a little bit of history. I mean, here we have the options that we can have and the colors to paint them. Looks very comprehensive and detailed, to say the least. So yeah, that's a good thing. And now the instructions itself, right? Not being a huge fan of this, because this comes in a very large piece of paper, which I'm not liking it. So here you have the waterline version. Here you have the full whole version. So for the full whole version you have the 3 parts. And then you have the propulsion system, main deck assembly. Part 4 is attaching the main deck to the hull. Superstructure assembly part 2. Funnel assembly, attaching the funnel, and we are on 8 steps already. The lifeboat assembly, attaching the boats, conning tower assembly, attaching the conning tower, bridge assembly, attaching bridge, secondary turret, and then partially attaching the secondary turrets, and main turret assembly. Attaching the bow anchor and attaching the main turret. So 19 steps to complete all of this. They are fairly simple to use. The thing I like is that they show you how to assemble and then where to attach. Like in this case you have the bridge assembly. It shows you how to assemble all the bridge and then where to attach it and how to attach it. So it's really good. So all in all, a very good kit. Wouldn't expect otherwise from Meng, to be honest, because it's a fairly recent company, so this mold should be fairly recent. Doesn't say on the box when it has been produced, but I probably will do some digging around. And we have some stickers. This is not decals, this is stickers. So not a big fan, so I might just paint these ones and see how it goes, because I don't like the thickness of it, so I might just paint these on the whole. So yeah, all in all, and going back, oh, we have the little stand as well. You have this little black stand where you can put your hull and leave it to be an exhibit. So yeah, lovely little kit. So we have to resume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take everything back again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of plastic, instructions, more instructions, and stickers. So I think it's a very good model, to say the least. I'm looking forward to build it. Very much looking forward to build it. I don't do a boat for a very long time, or a ship, as you want to call it, but we'll see how it goes. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like the inbox review. If you like it, please like and subscribe, so that you don't miss the live stream, because this will be built in live stream. Hope you guys like it. See you guys around. Bye bye.